Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tin. I'm just having this urge to say something about Eman Atienza's death. Well, actually, I don't know her. I'm not a fan of her. I really don't know her. Na she's Kuya Kim's Atienza's daughter pala. Well, I don't know anything about her. But guys, I just wanna say that suicide is a spiritual problem, just like addiction. Yeah, that's basically spiritual problem. Wala sila sa sarili nilang isip. Hindi nila alam yung ginagawa nila. Merong entity na bumubulong sa kanila para magpakamatay. Yeah, you heard it right. This unseen entity is controlling them to take their own lives without them even knowing it. Hindi nila alam. May kumukontrol sa isip nila na magpakamatay. Kaya guys, pag pinuno nyo yung utak at puso nyo ng negative energy like lungkot, galit, or anything na negative emotions, you guys know already what's going to happen next. Yeah. And yeah, tama yung sinabi ni Miss Elizabeth Oropesa na pag ang tao nagpakamatay, hindi nakakatawid sa liwanag yung soul nila. Naiiwan dito sa earth, nagiging earthbound spirit. Hindi matahimik yung kaluluwa. Nagsisik ng revenge, nagsisik ng judgment, ng justice. Hindi matahimik yung kaluluwa, hindi makaakyat sa liwanag, hindi makaakyat sa taas. Kaya, yung mga tao na nagsusuicide, kailangan talagang ipagdasal sila. Kasi yung soul nila naiiwan mismo dun sa lugar kung saan sila nag-suicide. So, ayun. Parang na-trap siya dun. Yung soul niya hindi makalabas dun. Andun lang. So, yun lang guys. Tsaka para kasing nakikita ko, ang source ng depression niya nowadays is because of a girl. There's a girl involved. I just can't say yung relationship nila because it's too risky to share. Pero yun lang talaga yung pinaka main reason ba't siya nagpakamatay. Sobrang na-depress siya. Sobrang stress niya. Tapos itong entity na to, yung bumubulong sa kanya na magpakamatay is sinunod niya. Kumbaga na blackout na siya, wala na siya sa sarili niya. Wala na siya sa tamang pag-iisip. Kaya ginawa niya yun.